If you've got to pull your washing machine out for any reason, you want to go under your sink and have a look how it's connected. So this one has just got that hose there, which is the drain hose. There's no pipe on the red, which is the hot water, so it's just connected via the cold water. So you want to turn the blue thing, the blue tap, so it's in line with the pipe. That is now off. It's actually broken because it's pretty tough. So now you can undo that nut there, well, the pipe, hose pipe, and then that'll be free, and then pull the drainage off, and then you'll be able to pull the washing machine out onto the wire, the electric wire. Then you have to unplug it, obviously. But that's all you do, just unconnect the water and the drainage, pull it out until you can pull the electrics out. So that's it, that's all we have to do. I'm going to do that now, so I've got to do a bit of work on this washing machine. Sometimes if you ain't got to remove it, you can just leave it in place. So I haven't had to remove them hose pipes. I have turned the water off just in case there's an accident happens. But I've left the drainage in place and the water hose in place. There's the electric, so obviously you can pull that out if you need to. But I don't need to, I've got plenty of space to work on this one, so I'll crack on.